Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix session expired error on Facebook. So let's get into it. Number 1. Log out and into Facebook again. If the Facebook expired session notification keeps appearing, we advise you to click on the error messages and follow the instructions to enter your Facebook account name and also the password to log in back into Facebook. If you dismiss the notification, it may continue to appear. Number 2. Update your Facebook app. Now make sure that the Facebook in your device has been updated. If not, go to Google Play Store or App Store. Find Facebook and click the Update button. After updating, check whether it fixes the session expiring issue. Number 3. Clear app cache. To clear cache, open Settings. Select Apps and Notification. In the list, find and select Facebook. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache, and hopefully this will make your device error-free. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.